A binary search algorithm is used to locate an item in a list or to show that the item doesn't exist in that list. Now, to use binary search, we need our list to be in order, so it will either be in alphabetical order if it contains words or letters, or it will be in numerical order. Now, in an exam question, you might have to order your list using a separate algorithm before you can use the binary search algorithm. So in this example, we're going to use the binary search algorithm to locate the name Joel in the list. We do this by finding the middle item in our list. Now, you must show you're working out in how you do this. We have 15 items in our list. So if we want to find the middle item, we'll have to do 15 plus 1 divided by 2 tells us that the 8th item is the middle item in our list. Now, the middle item in our list here then, the 8th item, is the name Greg. Now, as our list is in alphabetical order, we know that the name Joel, if it's in the list, must appear after Greg. So we can reduce our list now, and in fact, we can get rid of the entire list above Greg, because we can be sure that the name Joel won't be in that part of the list. So this is our reduced list. Once again, we're going to have to find the middle item in our list. Now, all the items have been numbered, and we are now left with the items between 9 and 15. So to find the middle item this time, we can do 9 plus 15 divided by 2, and that tells us that the middle item in our new list is the 12th item. So the middle item in our new list is Nadia. Now, Nadia is certainly not Joel, so we haven't found Joel yet, but we do know that in an ordered list that Joel would come before Nadia. So we can reduce our list once more by deleting Nadia and all the names after that, because we know that Joel won't be in that part of the list. Once again, we have a reduced list. Now, let's talk common sense for a moment. We can obviously see the name Joel that we're after, and we can see that it's number 11 in the list. But you must show that you are able to apply the algorithm. So that means we still need to be showing the calculations that we're using in the binary search algorithm. So once again, in our reduced list, we want to find the middle item. And we have the items that go from 9 to 11. So the middle item will be 9 plus 11 divided by 2, which is the 10th item. So the middle item in this list clearly is number 10, Jack. Now, Jack is not the name we're after, but if Joel is in our list, then it will come after Jack alphabetically. So once again, we can delete the name Jack and any names that come before that. And here is our final reduced list. And we've actually located the name Joel. So what we can say is that we've located Joel, and Joel is the 11th item in our lists. Now, as I said at the beginning, sometimes you will have to be showing that an item doesn't appear in the list. So sometimes you won't find the item that you're after.